Dear students, in web design, website aesthetics refer to the look and feel of the front end of a website or web application. Website aesthetics can be based on elements such as white space, color scheme, font, alignment, navigation, imagery, interactivity, and more. Dear students, ऑनलाइन जर्नलिज्म के अंदर एक बहुत इम्पॉर्टेंट जो चीज़ है वो उसके एस्थेटिक एलिमेंट्स हैं आपकी वेबसाइट के। एक तरफ तो कंटेंट की इम्पॉर्टेंस अपनी जगह पर कि विच काइंड ऑफ कंटेंट you are producing, but there is another important factor, and that is aesthetic element. How you make your website very, very attractive. And for attraction, you need aesthetic elements for your website. कि आप किस तरह से नेविगेशन और अलाइनमेंट कैसे करते हैं, आप उसके अंदर इंटरेक्टिविटी कैसे पैदा करते हैं, वाइट स्पेस कितनी रखते हैं, कलर स्कीम क्या रखते हैं, डिज़ाइन किस तरह का है, फ़ॉन्ट कैसा है, टाइपोग्राफी कैसी है, ये सारी चीज़ें मिल कर जो है वो एस्थेटिक एलिमेंट्स बनाते हैं जो आपकी वेबसाइट को अट्रैक्टिव और ख़ूबसूरत बनाते हैं. Designers are sticking to classic website design principles, but they are also going beyond standard website aesthetics with a new spin on grids and lines, typography, and more. They use a lot of sophisticated textures, muted colors, and serif fonts, which is why websites don't end up feeling too boring. Futuristic web design also includes pretty innovative contemporary techniques such as advanced animations and interactions, together with visual effects, including grain and glass morphism. Designers can do all this way easier and faster than ever before. Number one is typeface and typography. Now we will describe these elements one by one. Number one is typography or typeface. Typography has evolved as well. The strict rules web designers once followed have given way to the mixing of fonts with photos, emojis, and different shapes, because typography is a very much important component and element of aesthetic sense. And then scrolling elements. Another emerging web aesthetic trend is horizontal scrolling. Horizontal scrolling looks like you are going through the gallery and seeing the exposed content step by step as you scroll. And then it comes 3D illustrations. 3D illustrations are an extremely popular website aesthetic trend in the whole world. One of the coolest examples are 2D, 3D mashups. The 2D designs plays on old illustration styles, and the 3D spin makes it more interesting, eye-catchy, and lifelike. Power your website with fully managed hostings. What's great about website aesthetics trends in 2024 is that there are many different practices you can combine together, and they will easily overlap and work adjust greatly. Dear students, these are the technical aspects of aesthetic elements for a website, which is very important topic of your studies, and I recommend that you make your practices and make your knowledge more and more on this aspect. I wish you all the best.